Oh shit, there's dogs in there. I don't feel like being feasted upon. Oh, he's sniffing me. He's sniffing me. He's feeling out the situation. There's nothing for miles. He may as well be walking in the desert. What happened?
Hey!
There's no road. No road.
No road.
Flooding. Yeah.
Look like.
Look like. That's what it looked like. Okay, which one of you guys is on the menu? Uh-oh, they're coming. They're coming. Good morning. Time to really explore the outer reaches of this city. Let's go rent a scooter and head off to Kampong Phluk, Tonle Sap, a floating market about 50 kilometers from here. Don't need a scooter to get there. Join me on a new adventure. Hey, there he is. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. What we got? Gasoline? Gasoline? No smoking. That joke went over like a wet balloon. What's he working on? Parts? Nice to see you. Look who it is. It's Sopna.
Good morning.
What's up, Sopna? How are you?
Yeah.
Good. Good to see you. You gonna rent a scooter today?
Yeah.
Had fun yesterday. It was great.
Yeah.
Good time.
Yes.
Show me. Is this helmet good? This a good helmet?
No, not good.
No? What's good? Show me. You got black or orange?
White is okay.
No, I don't want white. These are no good, huh? I need white?
The black? Yeah, this is black.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like black. All right, guys. I'm gonna probably put this away now and then switch to this. I gotta switch to this. Can you? What is your name again? Your name? Sope. I'm sorry. Sope. Barefoot. Sope. I'm going to Kampong Phluk.
Yes.
Road 6 is that way?
Go straight.
Right.
One traffic light. Another one traffic light. Go straight until you see only T road. Turn left. See the big road, and then right.
Smile. All right, my good friends. Out into the deep blue yonder we go. Onward and upward.
Yeah, we go.
Woo! Not getting stuck behind him. We got 39 minutes. 22 kilometers to go. I'm seeing a lot of skewered meats. Chickens, fish, pork, beef. It's a smorgasbord. All right, we're approaching our turn off of 6 and onto 812. And I hope this is it. Bunch of some kind of animals. They look like dogs. Not sure if it's like a pack of stray dogs. Could just be the neighborhood dogs. Bunch of them. Look at all of them. Hello, doggies. Hello. Goodbye. Ah, for once I can outrun you. Hello. Oh, we got a water buffalo crossing. Hello. How are you? Nice to see you. And it's good they're paving these roads here. Looks like there's a little town here. They're gonna probably stop me. I'm not sure if this is like a checkpoint. Let's see. Hopefully not. Holy crap. Up the old dirt road. Watch out for this guy. Hello. You know what, guys? This is pretty cool. Maybe let's check this out. Don't let me forget that iPhone in there, guys. All right, let's go check this place out. Oh, hello. Where are you guys from?
Germany.
Germany. Nice. What do you think so far of Cambodia?
It's nice.
Yeah?
We're different.
No, it's a little different than Germany, huh? Okay, enjoy. Be careful. Thank you so much. Oh, man. There's all kinds of tourists here. You guys all from Germany?
Yes.
Germany?
Yes.
Nice. Germany's in the house. So, maybe they're on a bus tour or something. I don't know. I didn't see a bus there. They don't appear to be the types that would be on motorbikes there on that road, but I've been wrong before. Hello. Oh, don't be shy. Don't be shy. I'm sorry. Sorry. Susadai. 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 Duck. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. No? Quack, quack. He's laughing. All right, and in case you get the deli belly here in Cambodia, that's the man to see. That's the man with all the concoctions and potions, right?
You can speak Khmer.
You speak English? Little
I
bit?
like speak English little bit.
Little bit, very
Yes.
good. Name of village. Name, what's
Name of village.
Yeah, name.
Rolo village.
Oro village?
Dapra village.
That village?
Yes.
Oh, very nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA.
USA.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
You try buy motor car.
Yeah, motorbike. Yeah, see?
You try
Yes.
by yourself.
I did it. Yeah. Yeah, I did. I made it this far. I still got a long way to go though. I go to Kampong Phluk.
Kampong Phluk.
Kampong Phluk.
Yes.
Right. I go there now.
Kampong Phluk village.
Yeah. Floating village, right? Market?
Yes.
They have market there too? No market?
Market.
Over there?
Rolo market.
This the market?
Yes.
Here. Ah, I see. Okay, what's your name? Your name?
My name Amras.
Amras.
Yes.
Oh, that's a beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Amras.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Hello. Susadai. Susadai. Oh, look at this young whippersnapper on a motorbike. How old are you? Age is just a number in this country. Oh, wow, we got sausages and salmons and all kinds of good stuff. Let me get out of your way. I'm always in your way. I'm so sorry. Welcome. Wow, beautiful. What's up there, Mr. Young Man? How are you? He's got his basket all ready to go. What's that, like a watercress or something? Looks good. Oh, wow. Looks like a mini golden casket. Oh, we got fish. The entire thing. She's carving them up. Hello. Susadai. Susadai. Tell you what, I don't want to get lost here. This market's deceptively huge. Hang it right here. Oh, it looks beautiful. Fresh shrimp. Salad. She's eating ice cream. There you go. Tofu? Tofu? Yeah? You're just saying yes, aren't you? It's not some kind of fowl. We got a fowl crying fowl. We got piles of cash here. I don't know. Is that the bank? 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 They got it all. Hello. What do you got? Rubber bands? Oh, wow. You got banana. Banana? Banana chips. Nice smile. Thank you. You gotta have heart, Barefoot. They're always telling me you gotta have heart. And intestines while you're at it. I'll tell you what, guys. They are certainly transacting a lot of business here. Hello. Are you hot? It's hot? Hot? Wow. You're so beautiful. See? He's flipping out over you. What's up, handsome? Oh, you dropped one. Don't let those suckers get away. Oh, third time's a charm. She got it. Yay! I'm causing trouble in the marketplace. What else is new? Wow, look at this. Winding and just keeps going. Hello. Susadai. No? Susadai. She's so cute. Thank you. Wow, what? Bean sprout? Bean sprout. Yeah? Bean sprout? Beautiful. All right, I'll throw some of those in my soup. Thank you. Ladies' underwear. Whoa, we got a doggy. Hey, what's up, buddy? You're on TV. You know YouTube? YouTube. You're on YouTube. You speak English? What's your name? Name?
My name is.
Your name is?
My name is Rukta.
Sa? Fa?
Rukta.
Ta? Ta? I say good? Okun. Bye bye. Is good? Tastes good? Breakfast of champions. Right? Hello. Goodbye. Onward and upward. We got tracks to cover here. And the day isn't wasted. So hope you guys enjoyed the marketplace. Time to move on. Bye-bye. Frogs? Frog? Frog, right? Frog? Ribbit? Croakers? Are those snakes? Oh my gosh, you got snakes. Eel. Oh. Man. Slippery little suckers. Thank you. Akun. A lot of gut chopping going on around here. That might be like a sea cucumber, but I'm not entirely sure. It's a clean sweep. Akun. Everybody off. She's been doing that since she was an embryo. Alright, the good news is the scooter's still there. I didn't think that would be an issue here. Time to make tracks. Bye-bye. Guys, what is this? Let's check it out. Oh shit, there's dogs in there. I don't feel like being feasted upon. This is an old cemetery. It looks as though the animals have taken it over. I've seen cows or bulls, cats. You can see a skinny cow right there. It's overgrown and unkempt. Doesn't look like it was properly maintained. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's a temple there or the caretakers. Let's see, does it have horns? I don't feel like getting charged by a bull right now. I mean, I'm not wearing red, but that may not matter. Hello. Seems to be pretty docile and gentle. And very skinny. Hello. How are you? You okay? All right. Don't stampede me. I just came to say hello to you. That's all. You look very friendly and very hungry. I wish I could help you. There's a bull over there, so I am going to take off. Bye-bye. Nice to meet you. Guys, the journey continues. And as usual, it's hot. This must be the official entrance right here. Wow, it's pretty big in here. This building appears to be abandoned, but I'm not sure. Hello. Wow, it opens up back in here. Yeah, I know, I don't belong here. Don't worry, don't worry. Keep your fur on, I'm vamoosing. Alright, good. Good to know I'm not the only one he's barking at.
Then turn right.
So long, cows. I don't think I'm going to make any more stops, but you never know. I want to try to get there. It's almost noon. Hammocks. And more skinny cows. And a bull. Hello! Crocodile! Okay. Hello! How are you? Nice to see you. Hello! How are you? She's strong! She's strong! Oh shit. Wow, are they friendly? Friendly? I'm not gonna stick around to find out. Oh, he's sniffing me. He's sniffing me. He's feeling out the situation. So am I. I don't feel like running with the bulls in Cambodia. I think that's a Spain thing. You'll come to a fork in the road. Take it. I guess I'm going this way. I tell you what, I know we're seeing a lot of bulls, a lot of cows, but I gotta piss like a racehorse. And I don't want to do it on somebody's property. I just can't tell what is and what isn't. Slow down. There's a checkpoint over there. That's why they want me to slow down. They're gonna stop me. Let's see how much money they hit me for. I'm gonna put this away. It's okay over here, it's okay. They know a lot of people come here to go to the floating markets, and this is like a checkpoint, I guess.
Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you, my friend?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay, thanks. I'm a YouTuber from USA. So, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Kampong
Kampong
Phluk.
Phluk. Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to see Kampong Phluk, you
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
buy ticket here.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. How are you, buddy?
Hello.
Nice to see you.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. How about you? Good, good. Nice to meet you all. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know Miami.
Oh, Miami.
Miami,
yeah,
baby. Yeah, like Miami Vice, Miami Beach.
Yeah.
Huh?
Nice country.
Yeah, nice country.
Yeah.
Cambodia is beautiful country.
Oh, thank
People are
you.
so nice. Over here? Okay.
Ticket here include the boat like this. This how many people you want?
No, just me.
Just you take private boat is. Because now it's wet season. The water is high.
So you need the boat.
Yeah, if you want to see the floating village like this, you have to take a boat.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem. I pay 25
Yeah.
US.
Yes.
Okay.
Single.
$25.
Yeah, the boat will take to see the village.
Yeah.
First, after to see the mangrove, you can see outside, and then to see the lake like this.
Okay.
And lake take around maybe 1.5 or 2 hours. You show the ticket
Yeah.
to other people over there checkpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You take motor maybe 3 kilometers more from here.
Okay. Not far.
Yeah.
I'm almost there. Very good. Yeah, long road. I have to pee-pee.
Yeah, you can go over there, the PP, the blue one.
Pee-pee over there. Okay, the blue one. Thank you. An obligatory bathroom shot here in the outer reaches of Siem Reap. It's not too bad, actually. Choose a good one. I'm going right in the middle. It looks like the road less traveled. After pee, please push water clean and make your hands dirty. All right, guys, I'm tuning out. I think you know why. I mean, I don't know where he's headed, but if you look at this road where I'm at right now, there's nothing for miles. He may as well be walking in the desert. Hello, sir. How are you? Where are you going? You go this way? Here. Give this guy a few bucks. It's for you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. It's just an old dirt road and rice paddies as far as the eye can see. Little shack here. I'm not sure if it's somebody's house. Somebody lives there, or like a little outpost where they sell drinks and stuff. But it could belong to one of the fishermen here. He might be out working now. Could be like his equipment storage area, kind of like his garage. And here you go, you can see all the tour buses and vans. What happened to the road? This says I have 10 minutes to go. What happened? Where do I go? There's no road. You know what, guys? I think I might have to take a boat. And I was supposed to go back there and park. Yeah, that's what he was trying to tell me. The road ends because the tide is high. So you got to take a boat to get to the floating villages from here. You see it shows me 9 minutes to go, 4.3 kilometers, but there's no road left. I got to find out what to do, guys. I'm tuning out. Yeah, so these guys are telling me, so back down that way. Okay, why? No road.
No road.
Flooding. Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you. All right, we got to go back, guys.
Okay.
Sorry, it was in my pocket. It's red place? Okay, where you want me to put the bike? Where?
Cái tông nè. Sao vậy?
Probably should have took my jacket off too, the vest. Guys, the whole reason I wore the vest, it doesn't matter when you're on the bike. It's not, I wouldn't say chilly, but you know, you get a nice breeze, so it's like instant air conditioning. But I brought it because of the pockets. I needed more pockets to hold more stuff for this 50-kilometer journey. It's almost an hour to get here, back and forth, an hour each way. Okay, what are we doing? This my boat? Okay, just me and you? Yeah. Just me and you? Yeah. All right. Hey, that's my name, Barefoot. That's my name. I know, it should be your name and not mine. All right, watch your heads. Woo. Looks like I'm the only one on this bucket of bolts. The old bamboo does it again.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. He's using a tire iron, which was welded into the chain to change the gears.
Okay.
Whoosh. Put your back into it. This is non-stop action from the minute I left. Good Good job, man. You did it. Strong, strong. The water is very high now, huh?
Yeah, yeah. So now it's water very high.
The road is under here. All right. At least we don't have to swim for it. How far? How far? How long?
How long?
10 minutes? How long? Yeah.
Oh, in 2 hours. Go and back in 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, you want I can go to see the village, you want go to see the mangrove forest and train the small boat inside.
Floating village, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, in here, this is the floating village.
Kampong Phluk?
Kampong Phluk.
This, right here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're approaching the village here on my right.
This is the police station.
Oh, police station?
Yeah, police station.
Oh, wow.
Secondary school and the high school.
And a second grade school.
Yeah, the high school.
Wow, so the police, how are they gonna get out of there? They need a boat, huh?
Yeah,
The police have a boat.
Yeah, yeah. I can go to the boat. And
Great.
dry season and bicycle and motorbike. I can go to school.
How long does the dry season last?
So in 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, 6
Dry, 6 months wet.
Yeah, yeah.
2 months more, what happens? All this water just goes away?
This is the water and no water.
Incredible.
Health center.
Health center, so you got police. They have all the necessary community services here. It's really interesting. He was telling me, what are your names?
And Sukir.
Kin Sokir.
Yeah.
And hey? Bun. Bun. Nice to meet you. So you go to school. What are you in? What grade?
I can go to driver boat.
Boat driving school.
Yeah, driver boat.
Wow, good for you.
This is the driver and community.
How old are you?
And 27.
27 years old?
Yeah.
Wow, you look like a baby, man.
Yeah, and so in Cambodia, so young.
Yes, yeah. How about you?
Are you
What is he, 50?
And 28.
He's 28.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. So everywhere you go now, you have to take a boat.
Yeah, yeah, every day. So
What?
in dry season, in no today, and small today, I can go to the fishing.
What do you do for fun?
And 5 o'clock,
Yeah.
so in no today, I can go to sea.
Ah.
Yeah, so every day, so and happy and and the boat. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that all around the world, isn't
Yeah,
it?
Yeah. So in some beer and crocodile.
Yeah, that whistle blows, baby. It's beer 30. So these are the homes. These people live here.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
What work most of these people? Fishing? For jobs, for job.
Job in the fishing in the driver boat. Yeah.
Driving a boat or
Yeah,
fishing. That's
yeah.
pretty much it.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Literally from birth, this is all they know. What's he got? Ice cream?
Yeah, yeah.
He's selling ice cream. Wow. The ice cream man, no matter what mode of transportation he has, truck, car, foot, bicycle, or boat, he's got that bell ringing. I'm starving. I had nothing to eat all day, and it was a long journey. Wow, look at how loaded up that boat is. Man, that's a floating grocery store right there. Anyway, he was telling me there's a restaurant here that they can drop me off at, and I can get something to eat and have a beer. Sounds pretty good right about now. There's an optional tour here that you can choose to go on for an added fee. There's mangroves in here, as you can see. Apparently they go pretty deep inside, and they have a small boat that will take you through the mangroves on a little tour. Hello! Watch your heads. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you. So, is this still Kampong Phluk? I'm in.
I'm from here.
Yeah, it is.
Kampong
Okay.
Phluk.
Okay, that's what I thought, sir. Okay, guys, you gonna wait for me?
Yes.
You wait for me. Okay.
For you here.
I can't swim back. It's a little too far for yours truly. Oh, we got all the trinkets. And silly me, I brought a jacket with a lot of pockets in it. Hello, Mr. Dundee. How are you? You have a very lovely shop. Very lovely. Very lovely indeed.
Crocodile skin.
Crocodile skin.
You know, original.
Is it edible? Yeah, I can eat it because I'm starving right now.
Crocodile meat, you can some eat. Okay.
Do you have a restaurant, right? I want to eat. I want to eat.
You can stay here.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Okay, stay here.
Stay here?
Yes, you can order.
All right, I'll stay here. I promise. I won't misbehave. Maybe just a little. You're gonna throw me to the crocodiles. All right, what do we got? Let's see if they got crocodile on the menu. Beer?
Beer, big beer.
Cold beer, cold beer.
Cold beer.
Yeah.
Cold, big or small?
Ice cold. Big.
Very cold beer.
Big, always big.
Yes.
Big boy needs big beer. Okay. What do you got? Crocodile soup? I wouldn't suppose you have a cheeseburger in paradise, do you? What's up, guys? Where are you guys from?
Holland.
Holland, baby.
Yeah.
That's the Netherlands, right?
Yeah.
But you guys don't call it the Netherlands, you call it the Netherlands, right? Right?
Nederland.
Netherlands, see? We mispronounce it. We put the TH in there.
Yeah.
We're good like that, us Americans. Nice to meet you guys. I'm from USA. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I threw you up there, huh? You thought England?
No, joke.
Jokes, just a joke. All right, I like it. It always pays to have a sense of humor when you're on a floating village.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep this thing afloat. All right, I'm gonna change my glasses because I can't see. Oh my God!
Big-
When you said big beer, you weren't kidding.
Yeah, but you can order big beer.
So I could live in this thing.
Just one
Oh
small
my
beer.
God! Oh no! This is fine. I'll drink what I can. You already
Yeah,
brought it.
what do you want
Thank
to-
you. You say cheers? How you say cheers in
Cheers.
Cambodian? How you say it?
Chual mui.
How you say it?
Chual mui.
Huh?
Chual mui.
Tuol moi.
Yeah,
Tuol moi. Onward and upward. How you say onward and upward? Onward and upward. Yeah. How you say it? Onward and upward. How you say it?
I don't know. You say you speak English first.
Like.
Worry.
Like onward. Like go on and go up. Go on and go up. How you
Go
say it?
egg, go up.
Yeah. How you say it?
Look like.
Look like. Look like.
Look like.
Look like.
Chual mui.
That's what it looked like. A little strong, but good. Don't worry, I won't ask you how to say that. What do you got? Crocodile? You got crocodile meat?
Yeah, yes.
Oh my gosh, I gotta try the crocodile. Is it good? What's it taste
You
like?
can taste first.
Don't tell me it tastes just like chicken. Tastes just like chicken?
The same. I had chicken. Chicken, okay.
Fried meat I gotta try the crocodile.
No spicy.
No spicy, no spicy. What's it come with? Noodles? You got noodles or rice?
Only steamed rice.
Steamed rice.
Steamed rice and crocodile meat.
Like fried rice?
Oh, I care for you.
You care for me.
One small and one small $10.
Okay, crocodile and rice. Fried rice. Fried
Fried
rice.
rice.
Fried rice.
Crocodile
Okay.
in the cage. Crocodile.
Oh, you got a crocodile in a cage?
Yes.
All right, let's grab
And
our
you can pick them the food, but crocodile
jumbo
better.
size beer and go check out the crocodiles. Oh, you guys are here? You should have sat with me. All right. Keep your mouth shut. And off my leg bone. Oh my goodness. Look at them all. And those two. Hey, okay, which one of you guys is on the menu? I take it, all of you. Hey, don't hold it against me. Uh-oh, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Hopefully they're marching for the kitchen and not for me. Look at this one.
You can with them first. You can picture.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You can with them the chicken.
Which one am I eating?
With chicken.
Oh, you feed them in chicken.
Yeah, you can with them and you can picture. And very just the crocodile and the cat.
Oh. Okay.
One.
Wow, how much is it?
$3.
$3? Yeah, one. All right, so wait, so let me get this straight.
Yes.
First I'm gonna feed them,
For you.
then I'm gonna eat them.
Eat them. Eat them or feed them.
Or both. All right, it's your last meal. Pick a good one. Pheasant under glass, African lobster tail with drawn butter. That's what I'd go for. So what, the chicken's gonna go in there?
The chicken here and for you with them I camera those.
Okay.
Yes.
That's not the same chicken that's on my menu, is it?
Yes.
At least she's honest, ladies and gentlemen. At least she's honest. Are you gonna give him a fish?
Bạn cho hỏi.
Đây kìa. Ăn ơi đẹp bực mình. Kê tăng. Từ. Tay này cái đây đừng mượn tay.
I think he said, can you please pass the gray poop on? Oh, you're gonna miss out there. You better hurry, that other guy's go! Strike one. You get 3 strikes and you're out. That's strike 2 that you just missed because you were looking at me. Hold on. Look at those choppers. He got it. Oh, he got it. Oh, pull him up. Pull him up. Come on. He's on my menu. Uh-oh, here comes another one. They're all coming out to play. Wow. Oh, you got it. Oh, you got a tug of war going on. Wow. Man, he's strong. He got it. Let's hear it for Crocky, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for Crocky. Okay, you had your meal. Now I'm going to go get mine. What you think? You like that? You like that? I don't think crocodiles like beer too much, do they? I have a guest here. Special guest. Are you the special guest? I just got back from the crocodile feeding and she was here. I don't know if she works here or... Looks like she's got a bag with her. So maybe she's on her break or maybe she's a tourist. I don't know. Should I ask? You a tourist? Tourist? You work here? You work on the boat?
Yeah, in the big boat.
Oh, you work on the boat. Oh, that's your boat. Ah, wow. We have more Caucasians. This is going to look like the Last Supper here in a few minutes. It's definitely the Last Supper for that alligator. Oh wait, crocodile. Excuse me. Oh, I see some crocodile in my future. Oh, is that mine? That's mine. The food chain persists, ladies and gentlemen. The food chain persists. And fortunately for me, I'm at the top of it. All right. I've had gator tail before. This is my first crocodile ever. Tastes just like chicken. I think I'm gonna mix it together. Oh my God. Oh, that's great. There's peanuts in there. It's not spicy at all. It's very flavorful. Recurring gastronomic theme here is basil and cilantro. There's onions in there. Might be a little bit of curry too. Khmer uses a lot of curry, as we saw with my amok. I'm gonna tell you what, this is freaking delicious. When I said it tastes like chicken, to be honest with you, I didn't expect it to taste so much like chicken, but it does taste a lot like chicken. It tastes like a leathery chicken. It's a little bit tough, not overly so, and not chewy like alligator. To me, was chewier, spongier. Let her rip. This is really good. I'm enjoying the hell out of this. By the way, when it comes to shellfish here, you got to do all the work. They don't take the shells off for you. So you got to remember they're on there. See what I mean? Oh, there she goes. Bye-bye. Like, could you imagine your mother-in-law having a job like that? That's about a normal size glass, by the way. Just to give you an idea, the size of that beer bottle. Oh, just got a piece of crocodile bone. And no, I am not going to make a bracelet out of it. Hey, so where are we? What is this lake here?
So the name is Tonle Sap Lake. Tonle Sap Lake.
Tonle Sap Lake. Oh,
yeah.
okay, that's right. I saw it on the map. This is Tonle Sap. When you look it up, when you Google map it for the directions. So this is a lake.
Yeah, this is the lake.
Does this attach to the Mekong River?
No.
No, it's separate.
Yeah.
Okay. It's huge. It's really big. I'm gonna have to look this up on the map and put it down here to show you exactly how big this thing is and where it is. He offered me to take a swim, and I was like, nah. I got some crocodiles that are pretty pissed off at me right now. It's amazing. We're all similar in every way, but it's incredible how different people's lives can be. All right, my friends.
Yeah, thank you.
Listen, thank you so much.
Yeah,
It's so nice to meet you. My good friend. Guys, when you come here, you have to get on this boat and go and check out the floating village. This is my friend.
Yeah.
Say your name again.
Sokchia.
Sukchia.
Yeah, Sokchia.
Come see my friend Sukchia and
Fun.
Fun. Have fun
Yeah.
with fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so see for both of you guys, okay?
Yeah.
It's a little something for both of you guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, thank you
Have
so
fun.
much. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. We had fun with fun.
See you.
Take care, guys. Great job. Bye-bye. Well, guys, so ends another journey here in Cambodia. We had quite an experience today. And after all, isn't that what life is all about?